Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
In Chikalim hospital, we usually examine all the patients and make them aware of breast cancer. In breast cancer, early detection is the key, and you have to detect a woman if she has a lump in the breast. So mainly it is making aware to the patient, being aware that she has to self-examine. So in Chikalim, because of the huge crowd, it is very beneficial for us to make the people aware. Once they are aware, if they can come to us, and then we can refer them to the respective hospital for further treatment.
October महिना हो एक पिंक मंथ म्हणून आमी सेलिब्रेट करतात. Rather we observe it as pink month, which is for breast cancer and cervical cancer. आणि वुमन डॉक्टर्स इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशनाचो एक कार्यक्रम आसा कॉल्ड स्वयं, अंडर वीच वी आर सपोज टू कंडक्ट दीज अवेरनेस कॅम्प्स एंड क्रिएट public awareness. 1 in every 8 women could be having cancer, whether it is breast cancer or any other cancer. But so ताका लागून इतलें प्रमाण वाडना. अर्ली डिटेक्शन जर करत जाल्यार आमकां वी कॅन प्रोवायड देम ट्रिटमेंट, एंड वेरी गुड ट्रिटमेंट इज अवेलेबल फॉर ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर. सो वाय नॉट अवेल द बेनिफीट ऑफ इट? सो सेल्फ एक्झामिनेशन आनी जर अर्ली डिटेक्शन जालें जाल्यार ऑल दीज पीपल कॅन बी क्युअर्ड ऑफ ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर. Goa sort of leads when it comes to breast cancer, probably maybe because of our diet habits or even the cultural factors like late marriages, late conception, and even breastfeeding habits in Goa are little different from the rest of the country, because here there is a little bit of reluctance as far as breastfeeding is concerned.
आमकां दिसलें आमच्या गांवांत आमी एक प्रोग्राम घडोवन हाडचो म्हणून, कित्याक ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर आहा तो एक सारको कॉमन जालो आसा आतां, आनीक आमच्या गांवच्या बायलां खातीर आमी हो आयज प्रोग्राम घडोवन हाडा. बेगीन अर्ली डिटेक्शन केलें जाल्यार हो क्युरेबल. सो आमी ते आमकां जाय आसलेलो आमच्या गांवच्या बायलांनी हेजो पुराय लाभ घेतलेलो.